What's up guys, it's KJ with Credit Bully here. Just wanted to make a quick video on a few primary trade lines that will help you boost your credit. All of the websites will be in the description below. This is more so for people that have little to no credit. If you are looking to get your credit in order and you have a bunch of derogatory marks on your credit report or just a few and you're looking to get them removed, I suggest you go ahead and set up a consultation at www.creditbully.info. That website will be in the description below as well. But I'll just go ahead and get right into it. This website is called New Coast Direct. This is a $5,000 trade line that reports to TransUnion and Equifax. The minimum purchase price on this website is $100. Generally, these trade lines post in 30 days. So if you wanted to know more on how this particular trade line works, you can go to the bottom of the page. They have a video in here, the qualifications. Normally, most everyone will get approved if you had little to no credit. Only reasons why you would not get approved would be because of a outstanding child support or maybe a bankruptcy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the home page. Again, it's a minimum purchase price of just $100. So kind of go over here, and it doesn't really matter, guys, what item you pick. I mean, you can really get whatever you want to, but this is more so just for the trade line. So I'll come over here. This item right here is just over $100. So I'll click into this item here. I'll add it to the cart. I'll go ahead and proceed to checkout. You'll want to hit this start the process. It's for new customers. So the way this works is you put a 50% down payment. So you see the total of the item is $107.77. You're going to pay half of it today. Then you're going to finance the rest, which is about $15, $16, $17 payments over the next 3 months. But you'll go ahead in here and fill out the credit application, and then you'll submit it. So it's very easy. Again, this is a $5,000 trade line that reports to TransUnion and Equifax. The next one I'm going to go into is called Hutton Chase. This is a $1,500 trade line that reports to Equifax and TransUnion. So on this website, it's pretty much the same thing. You'll go ahead and put in your information. So yes, and after you go ahead and fill that out, they have two products. So it's either financial fitness or law of attraction, whichever one. Click on one, it'll take you to this page right here. You go ahead and put in your information. This is similar to the other credit application on New Coast Direct. And the way this one works, you're going to pay $75 today, and you're going to be financing a total of $180 in five $36 monthly payments. So again, this one reports to TransUnion and Equifax, and this is a $1,500 primary trade line. And the very last one, guys, is going to be My Jewelers Club. My Jewelers Club, again, if you want to come here and see how it works, you get a little bit more information. I'll go back to the home page. And this is a minimum purchase price of $100 as well. So I'll just find an item that's at least $100. Perfect, right here. I'll add it to my cart. Check out now, credit application, apply now. And just like New Coast Direct, it's going to be a 50% down payment. So you'll be paying for half of the bracelet, and you'll be financing the other half in a number of payments over the next 3 months, 2 to 3 payments, or about 3 payments, in a total of roughly $15 to $16 a month until it's paid off. You guys don't want to miss these payment, guys. They are very important as they are building history on the trade line. So you're going to go ahead and fill out this credit application here. You're going to submit it. 30 days later, look on your credit report. It reports as major financial. It will be a $5,000 trade line. Again, I've seen credit reports jump anywhere from 50 to over 100 points. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave any comments below. Like, share if you know anyone that this video can help. Also, again, if you're looking to get your credit up and you really have no idea what you're doing, or if you have any derogatory marks on your credit report, please set a consultation at our website. It will be in the description below, www.creditbully.info, as well as all these trade lines that I've talked about today will be in the description below as well. Please share this video if you found it valuable, or if you know anyone that can benefit from this video. Go ahead and follow us also on Instagram, creditbully.info, as well as Facebook. If you type in Credit Bully, you'll be able to find our page. I can't stress enough how important credit is. You know, when you go and apply for a apartment and you get denied because of credit, or even going to a car lot and you need a co-signer, or they're going to hit you with 20% interest rate, I highly suggest you guys get your credit in order. It's very, very important if you're looking to do anything bigger than what you're doing. Now, if you're in business, if you need funding, everything comes down to one thing and one thing only, and that's credit. So hopefully you guys found this video very beneficial to you. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, leave a comment below. You guys have a good one. Thank you for listening.